What if one affordable Cancun resort could unlock multiple luxury resorts, private beaches, and even boat rides across the lagoon? From California's Central Valley to the Caribbean Sea, this adventure started with a road trip to LAX and turned into one of the most unique vacations we've experienced in Mexico. Our trip started before sunrise in Fresno, California. Instead of flying local, we drove several hours down to LAX to catch a direct flight to Cancun, Mexico.
So we're just gassing up right now, and then we're heading to LA. And then there's Mateo. Say hi, Mateo. Look at Hi. Montanan.
After landing, we made our way into Cancun's famous hotel zone and checked into Sunset Marina Resort and Yacht Club. Unlike the giant beachfront resorts Cancun is known for, Sunset Marina sits peacefully along the Nichupte Lagoon, surrounded by yachts and calm tropical water. The resort itself has a Mediterranean-inspired design. Colorful buildings, tiled walkways, warm earth-tone architecture, and a relaxed marina atmosphere that almost feels like staying in a coastal European village. We stayed in one of their Mediterranean-inspired rooms featuring tiled floors, warm lighting, a kitchenette, balcony, and beautiful lagoon views. It felt less like a standard hotel room and more like a comfortable vacation apartment. The resort is part of Sunset World Resorts and Vacation Experiences, a vacation club and resort collection that has been operating in Cancun and the Riviera Maya for years. What makes Sunset World different is that many of their resorts are connected through their Stay at One, Play at More program. That means guests can visit multiple sister resorts during their stay.
Hello guys, we're in a different hotel, and this place have French on it because we into Mexico, and we wanna just stay. And there's setting up place I sleep in this hotel, and there's so many places that go in the different hotels, and there's a driver who bring us in a hotel, and you just go to the. You need money for your work, and you get it, and you are in a fly, and you need it for airport.
Some of the Sunset World properties include Sunset Royal Beach Resort, their beachfront resort with direct access to Cancun's famous white sand beaches. Ocean Spa Hotel, a quieter, wellness-focused hotel with relaxing ocean views. Laguna Suites Golf and Spa, a more budget-friendly option near the golf course and lagoon. Hacienda Tres Rios Resort Spa and Nature Park, their luxury eco-resort surrounded by cenotes, rivers, and mangroves in the Riviera Maya. But here's where things got really interesting. At first, we thought we booked just one affordable resort in Cancun. Then we discovered we could actually move between resorts using complimentary shuttles and even scenic boat rides across the lagoon. And honestly, the boat ride became one of our favorite parts of the trip. Cruising across the Nichupte Lagoon with the Cancun skyline in the background made the transportation itself feel like an excursion. But there is one catch travelers should know. One reason these resort packages can be very affordable is because many deals include attending about a 90-minute presentation introducing their vacation membership or timeshare style program. It's basically a seminar where they explain the benefits of joining their vacation club. For some travelers, the savings are worth sitting through the presentation. Others may prefer booking without the promotional package. Either way, it's good to know before you go. But once we settled in, this trip became less about schedules and more about slowing down. Breakfast at La Pergola before heading out, brick oven pizza from Il Forno after swimming, sunset views over the lagoon, and ending the night with live entertainment and warm Caribbean air. This trip reminded me that vacations aren't always about staying at the fanciest place. Sometimes it's about the experience, the journey from home, the unexpected moments, and discovering places that make you slow down and enjoy life a little more. From Fresno to Cancun, this was just the beginning of our Sunset World adventure. If If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Traveling Californian for more family travel adventures.